Today, we're going to show you how to use the Trip Planner app on your Garmin Navigator. The Trip Planner app can be used to create routes using several points. Up to 100 trips can be created and saved on your Garmin Navigator. To create a new trip, begin on the main menu and select Apps. Then select Trip Planner. Select New Trip. We will begin with the Select Start Location option. Now, it is important to note the start location is the first stop on the route, not where you will be leaving from. Locate the desired starting point using the search options. You can scroll down to see more options like Saved and Recent. Touch Select after you find the desired location to add the point to the trip. Select Add Location to insert a second point on the route. You can select an existing point on the trip to see additional options like adding a point between locations, changing an existing point, or rearranging the order of points. Touch Select Destination and use the search options to choose your final point on the route. Once all the points on the trip have been entered, select Next. The route will now calculate. Select Save to store the trip on your device. Enter a name for the trip and select Done to save it. Select the wrench icon to see additional editing options, including the ability to optimize the order of points in your trip. This will provide you the most efficient route without changing the starting or end points. You must have at least 4 points entered to optimize a route. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.